We'll guide you through how to change the aspect ratio in CapCut, making your videos look just right for any platform. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open CapCut on your desktop. Once you're in, go ahead and start a new project or open an existing one. After your project is loaded, look towards the bottom of the screen and find the timeline where your video clips are displayed. You'll see a toolbar above it. Click on the crop button, which is usually represented by an icon that looks like a rectangle with different width options. This will open up the aspect ratio settings. Here, you can choose from a variety of preset aspect ratios like 16:9 for YouTube, 9:16 for TikTok and Instagram stories, or 1:1 for Instagram posts. Simply click on the one that fits your needs. If you need a custom ratio, click on the custom option and enter your desired width and height. CapCut will automatically adjust your video to fit the new ratio. If you notice any black bars or unwanted areas after changing the aspect ratio, you can use the crop tool to zoom in or reposition the video. Just click on the clip in the timeline, then click the crop button in the toolbar. Adjust the framing by dragging the corners or moving the video until it looks perfect. Once you're satisfied, press Apply or OK to save your changes. Finally, make sure to preview your video to ensure everything looks good before exporting. Remember, choosing the right aspect ratio is crucial for optimizing your video for different platforms and ensuring the best viewing experience. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.